As you age and age, your hair turns white. This is due to reduced melanin production. But there are times when you have gray hair for your age. In this case, stress is likely to be the main cause. In that case, there is a high probability that some minerals and vitamins are severely deficient. Of course, that would naturally lead to an increase in gray hair. Therefore, if your hair becomes severely white, first, you may want to pay attention to supplementing the following necessary nutrients. This is because when you make such efforts, you are more likely to see an effect. Vitamin B12 must be methylcobalamin. Stress consumes a lot. Also, if you are under long-term stress, your stomach acid will weaken. There is a problem with the absorption of vitamin B12 in food, resulting in insufficiency. Anyway, whitening hair is important in relation to vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B9 natural folate methylfolate. Vitamin B12, in addition to vitamin C, protein. Metabolism is necessary for hair formation. It is an essential substance. It is also an essential substance for the production of nucleic acids, the main component of red blood cells and cell nuclei. Vitamin B5. It's a vitamin that is consumed a lot when you're stressed out. A mouse experiment confirmed that the hair turned white in case of deficiency. Vitamin C. Antioxidants prevent aging. If you drink too much alcohol, you can drink a lot. It is consumed and at the same time becomes a problem with absorption. So it is easy to be depleted. Mineral. Magnesium. When you are under stress, a huge amount is consumed. It is also essential for more than 300 enzyme reactions that occur in the body. Therefore, when it becomes insufficient, there are many problems. Of course, one of them is that your hair becomes white. Zinc. Like magnesium, if you smoke or drink frequently, it consumes a lot. Mineral. If you have a lot of white hair and at the same time, your nails. If white spots appear, it is a sign of severe zinc depletion in the body. 25 mg a day for women and 50 mg for men. Iron. Adolescents, athletes, young mothers. And not eating a lot of meat and vegetables. It is easy to lack iron. When iron is scarce, hair often turns white quickly. A blood test should be done and supplemented if the ferritin is 50 or less. The most ideal iron source is blackstrap massages and vegetables. Not only is it rich in iron, which is easily absorbed, but it is also rich in other nutrients. Kill two birds with one stone. Protein, amino acids tyrosine, cysteine, and methionine, in the production of melanin. Be an essential substance. Generally, the amount of protein required per day is between 60 and 80 grams. If you're under a lot of stress, eat vegetarian meals. If you're recovering from a disease, or if you're obese, your body can get more protein. I need it. In this case, it is ideal to use a high-quality whey protein powder. It is important to note that there are some products of poor quality. So you need to make a careful choice. Catalase. If you look at the results of some studies on catalase, if you turn gray early, you can see that the catalase levels are low. When the production of catalase in the body decreases and becomes insufficient, hydrogen peroxide is produced. It does not prevent oxidation, resulting in gray hair. Hydrogen peroxide interferes with the formation of melanin pigments that darken the hair. Catalase prevents the oxidation of hydrogen peroxide, which makes your hair white. It can mitigate or prevent what happens. Ashwagandha. Indian medicine believes that there is a lot of fever in the body and mind, which causes hair to turn white early. The most ideal solution to this problem is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha has the effect of strengthening hair follicles and hair roots. The Pharmacognesa review also shows that the increased cortisol levels, due to stress, it is said to help you relax and sleep well. And not only does it increase the number of hair, but it also increases the amount of melanin in your hair. The study confirmed that it also has a helpful effect.